Let's be real. You're not stuck, you're just comfortable. And that comfort, it's the very thing stealing your growth. Sounds harsh? Maybe. But sometimes the truth we need is the truth we don't want to hear. Imagine running in place on a treadmill and wondering why you're not getting anywhere. That's what comfort does. It keeps you busy, but doesn't let you move forward. Have you ever felt like you're putting in effort, but nothing seems to change? Like you're doing all the right things, but you're still stuck in the same spot? You scroll past motivational posts, maybe journal a bit, even plan big goals, but progress? Nowhere in sight. You're not alone. Growth isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things with intention. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 sneaky reasons you're not growing and exactly how to fix them. Think of this as your personal blueprint for getting unstuck. And the best part? These aren't complicated. No buzzwords, no guru fluff, just real talk that works. So, ready to shift from stuck to thriving? Let's jump in. Step 1. You're waiting for motivation. Here's a secret. Motivation is unreliable. If you're waiting to feel inspired before you take action, you're going to wait forever. Growth doesn't come from feeling ready. It comes from moving even when you're not. Think of motivation like Wi-Fi. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. But you can't base your life around it. Action creates momentum. You move first. Clarity comes second. Step 2. You're doing too much, but nothing deep. You're not lazy. You're just overwhelmed. You filled your day with so many small tasks that you have no energy left for the big, meaningful ones. That endless to-do list? It might be your growth's biggest enemy. Busyness gives the illusion of progress, but depth is what actually transforms your life. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters. Step 3. You're afraid to be a beginner. Let's face it, being bad at something feels uncomfortable. But guess what? All growth begins in the discomfort of being a beginner. If you're avoiding that awkward phase, you're also avoiding your potential. Growth is messy. It's tripping, fumbling, and falling a bit, then standing up a little stronger every time. Give yourself permission to suck at first. Emotional encouragement. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're just human, and being human means we get to grow, learn, and start again as many times as it takes. There's so much strength in simply showing up for yourself. So if all you can do today is take one small step, that's still growth. You've got this. So, which of these 3 habits hit home for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start real growth, hit that like button. It lets me know this helped. Subscribe for more. Real talk, no fluff. Remember, you're not stuck, you're just getting started.